Welcome to the Tunis Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Each other.
Support each other. Pirates, let's support each other as one also, Sundowns fans, we are disappointed. We gave out free tickets, but we couldn't fill out the stadium, which is not good. We all say we support Sundowns, but they can't pay for doesn't really first of all much, but then when it comes to instructing players, he's there, he's talking, communicating, questioning, which is not something we see on TV, which is why we don't compliment Sanchez as much as we do. So we should watch that game, and I think he's captain material. So yeah, that's one thing I'd like to say. We should just appreciate
that one, a game changer.
He's a game changer. We like Ribeiro, yes, but you should look at Sanchez also and look at his contribution to the game.
Are you saying supporters should come in now to the stadium so they can see those actions that are not shown by the TV?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Because now but when you come to the stadium, you can see that he's not touching, but he's talking. He comes in one touch, it changes the game. He was involved. He was talking, interacting. So yes, that's what
And the man of the match?
Man of the match, difficult one.
Without perhaps?
Without maybe, but he can do better. Adams, because Adams was also good, but yeah, I'll give it to him.
Thank you so much.